Good afternoon. It's been a while. My apologies for no videos. The pollution's actually really knocking me around, but I have the trusty KN95 mask which I'm wearing, and as you can see by the sky, it's not cloud, it's smog. So anyway, thank you everyone for your coffees and your support and subscribing, much appreciated. Today I'm going to have a look at another condo complex. A friend of mine, James, is interested in potentially investing or buying something, and we're at Panora, the Panora of Pattaya, which is on Soi 5 at Pratumnak. A great strip here, lots of restaurants and bars, massage places. There's a bar directly opposite, Flamingo Lounge, Cobra Lounge, and next door is a 7-Eleven, brand new one. And Pratumnak Beach and the Sands Cafe is 200 metres down the street there. I'll show you that afterwards. These are all brand new condos for sale, but at least they're complete, they're not off the plan. And we'll have a look. The studios face up the hill, and the one-bedders and two-bedders face the ocean. So, hang on mate, I'm filming.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't know.
Hang on. Sorry about that. A subscriber just grabbed me off the street in Soi 5, so I'm just waiting on my mate, and we'll have a look at Panora on Soi 5 at Pratumnak. And I think maybe all those apartments with the dots on them. Not sure what green means, maybe available. I'll find out. So we'll have a look at I'm hoping a studio, a one-bedder and a two-bedder, and show you the pools and bits and pieces, and find out some more. So back soon. Panora, Pattaya. Well, Pattaya, Pratumnak Soi 5. Back soon. So back again while I'm waiting for James to turn up and the sales consultant. I thought I'd just show you a bit of the brochure. And just for everyone's benefit, people out there have said don't spend so much time doing the conversion. So from now on, unless you all disagree and I get loads of comments, I'm going to just mention the Thai price, and you can use your currency exchange converter on your computer or your iPhone. But anyway, the developer, Meter Property, estimated completion date, well, it's finished Q3 2022. It's got 38 floors, 327 units, ceiling height, floor to ceiling 2.55 metres, and price is starting from 2.95 million baht, and 2 infinity pools, which we'll check out. So back soon. Okay, up here on the 36th floor in Panora at Pratumnak, having a look at a brand new 70 square metre 2-bedroom condo. 70 squares, 14 million, fully furnished with all the decorations as you're about to see it. The maintenance fee is 55 baht per square metre, so 55 times 70 per month, and electricity and water is at government rate. So this is Pratumnak Beach. There's a 7-Eleven right there, which I showed you before, and there's a 7-Eleven just there on the corner, the Sands Cafe just there, there's the Sands condo building right there, and Kolan. As you can see, it's a bit smoggy. And I'll just show you this condo. So as you see it, is how it comes. I'll just go to the entrance. So there's the front door. You come in, and there's your living area. It's a bit tight. But some good storage. You can put shoes. There you go, shoe rack. Maybe the shoes come with it. Oh, excuse me. The shoes come with it as well. And that looks like a cockatoo from Australia. More storage. One bathroom. This one has a shower. A proper shower. You'll understand what I'm talking about when you see the ensuite. It's nice. And this is the second bedroom. And like my mate James just said, look at the space to walk around the bed. Not enough room, unfortunately, for some. But others might find it okay. If you didn't have a TV on the wall, in fact, I would take that TV off the wall so that any guests that were staying here could comfortably get around the bed without bumping into the TV. A little vanity there, built in. Let's have a look. They've even put clothes in here. So this is the display unit, but you can have it as it is with everything for 14 million, and you can access the bathroom from there. And I'll just do my usual sit on the lounge test. Oh, it's actually not too bad. It's far enough back. It's a big TV. And a full European kitchen. Oh, it comes with a coffee machine. I'd buy it just for that. Toaster, microwave, not the best position for it. Samsung front loader, Samsung TV, and a proper oven, and a 4-burner cooktop. A very nice splashback. And ice that never melts. Anyway, it's been a while since I've done a video, so sorry about that. This is the master bedroom. Again, look at that. Yeah, I've got to squeeze past to get to the other side. Whew. Anyway, you can open this window. And in the ensuite, just get past. There's the built-in closets. There you go. And the vanity there. So the ensuite comes with a bath. You've got a shower head here. Not everyone's favourite way, but it looks nice. So that's 14 million for a 70 square two-bedder, the 14 million baht in Panora. Oh, sorry, I haven't been out on the balcony yet. And a good sized balcony, but it faces directly west. Back soon. Still at Panora. There's a kids play area, or maybe for the adults, and a sitting area where you could do some work. Beautifully air conditioned in here. So this is the gym. And there's another Nice garden. The pool. So this is the 4th floor. And the pool wraps around the corner here, which is pretty cool. And just across there is the bar, Cobra, Flamingo, whatever the other ones are. It says kids pool. And showers here. Do some exercise there. Now practice your putting, but there's no holes. Anyway. So I'll just get them to show me a 1-bedroom if possible. And to wrap it up. So still here at the pool. Just show you the view. And there's showers and toilets up here. So condo number 2 in Panora, get the sun on me. We're now on the 38th floor, which is the top, another 2-bedroom. This is 76 square metres, 16.7 million to buy, fully furnished as it is. So this is the balcony off the main bedroom, I believe, and the view. And unlike the last one, there's room to walk past the TV comfortably with a king-size bed, and you've got good shelving behind the bed. I quite like that. A nightstand or bedside table. Good TV. No storage on that side. And you can have a bath with a view like that. And sit back with a headrest, a shower. Commode or toilet, thumb gun, vanity, and yeah, wow, this is quite big in here. Yeah, it's all right. I told them you're looking. And living room. And the good thing about this one is you could move the sofa back if you wanted to. But this is a good sized living area.
Electric bill is going to be a lot, right? Because you've got to leave the aircon on all day. Otherwise, when you come in...
No. Because
Nice
you
kitchen.
have window over there.
Yeah.
And you have window over there.
Microwave.
Window over there. Windy all day long.
Washing machine.
Wind? Oh, you mean leave it open?
Oven. 4-burner cooktop. You say hello? Is this the master or the second bedroom? So this is the second bedroom.
The view you can see until Pattaya Bay. Pattaya Bay.
Yeah, so we're going Can you see my building?
And you can open the windows. And
way over there, I can see it.
Over there have windows.
you can open the windows and let the breeze flow through.
You don't need to open too much.
There's my building, can you see it?
Yeah, I know.
See the one with the white dome? Next to that.
Good size bedrooms in this one. So you could sit there and work. And a nice big shower off this bedroom. I'd be in two minds. I'd possibly stay in this bedroom some of the year, and then when it's hot and sunny, you stay in the other one. So there you go. It's another two-bedder. We'll move on. So still here at Panora, but looking at a one-bedroom, and then I'll wrap it up. This is only 35 square metres, which includes the balcony. And as you've seen from a lot of the developments that I've shown you, anything that's new, they build small. But having said that, oh jeez, I just nearly tripped. That's sitting opposite the TV. It's not too bad. This one's up high, and it's I think it's just under 7 million, this one. They've got one bedrooms on lower floors from 5. But you get a washing machine, microwave, and only a 2-burner. And a fridge. What's the storage? What's the storage much? Okay, so I've just been informed potential rental is 28,000. And again, look at the space to get between around to the other side of the bed. Vanity. And you can close off the bedroom. And a shower with a little seat. It's quite cool. It's interesting. I bought the same bath mat. Anyhow, so I'll see you on the ground floor. Back soon. Righto. So I'm just leaving Panora, and this is Pratumnak Soi 5. Lots of bars. Pointed that out. Flamingo Lounge, Cobra, Cine 69, and I'll just ride down one-handed and show you the beach. If you haven't already seen it. Sorry about the wind noise, I'll try and duck in under the screen. 7-Eleven, Pharmacy, Mini C. There's to eat back there. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favour and subscribe. I'm nearly at 6,000. And that makes a big difference, even though I'm not getting paid by YouTube yet. I'm hoping I can get some money for the running around. Those that have bought me coffees last week, thank you very much. This is a good 7-Eleven here. There's a big cafe there, I've eaten them once, called the Sands. And there's the beach. Anyway, all the new developments, if you want new, unfortunately you've got to put up with a bit of a smaller living space or bedrooms. You know, like I've mentioned many times, I don't spend much time at home, although this week I have, and yeah, I'll be honest, completely honest, I miss having a bit more of a comfortable living area if I'm not feeling well and don't want to lay in bed and I want to watch TV. So I'm actually I'm on the lookout for something else. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, everyone. Tomorrow is Saturday. I do have an appointment to look at a pool villa for sale. It's not a lot of money, and it looks very, very nice online down at Bangsaray, and I'll try and get to try and make some other appointments to see some rental properties down there too. Anyway, have a good weekend. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Cheers.